Tell me the payment's too high.
Payment's too high.
Everybody says the same thing. Maybe it's the chair you're sitting in. I don't know. Look, the payment's too high because vehicles are priced higher than they've ever been priced. Interest rates are higher than they have been in 7 years, and you picked out the most gorgeous vehicle that you've ever driven in your entire life. Your words, not mine. You'll quickly get used to these payments. I need your okay right here. Acknowledge, treat it like a complaint, and reclose. Have some balls. And if he goes, read my lips, the payment's too high, I ain't buying the truck. Well, now it's an objection, okay? And we got to go a different direction. Tell me the price. You want a bigger discount?
I want a bigger discount.
Everybody wants a bigger discount. Look, we had to discount that vehicle on our website to get you here. The price had to be attractive or you wouldn't be here. Had you found a more attractive price, you'd be there. I appreciate you wanting a bigger discount. Not going to happen. Need your okay right here so I can get your vehicle ready for delivery. Have some balls. Don't be nice about it. Don't be an asshole. Tell me you want more for your trade.
I want more for my trade.
Everybody does, okay? Please recognize this. We do not determine the value of your trade-in, okay? The market does. What we do is we take all the data from the market, we combine that with the condition of your vehicle, and we put a very fair number on it. We'll buy it for 20 grand. Now pick a payment so we can get you on out of here, okay? So you can start enjoying your new truck. Okay, and by the way, you'll be stunned at the number of people who will close just like that. Will everybody close? No, everybody won't. 25, 30, 35, 40% will close just like that. If you put them on a vehicle they can afford, we're giving people fair numbers for their trade, right? Hell yes. Okay, the payments, that's just math. Okay, there's no magic to that. Divide the amount to finance by the months and add some interest and shit, there's your payment. This isn't calculus or trigonometry, it's basic math. But customers are going to give you pushback because, as Paul pointed out, we've trained them to do that. Don't fold like a cheap suit, okay? Fight.